Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today's the 29th day of May 2021. We are going to give you all the best cannabis stock today that is a buy right now. You guys can already tell my screen. It's Cronos. We're going to talk about Cronos, give you all the expectations as to where we're looking for the price to go and why we're stating that this particular stock is anticipated to go higher in price. Before I break that down, if today's your first time ever seeing our videos, and you guys can see that there's actually someone who is predicting where price is going to go, give me all the heads up as to where the market is headed. You need to make sure you follow us. We want you to be part of our team, part of our community. If you want to, you can do that by liking the video, sharing, and subscribing here to this particular channel, because I'm going to show you another confusing chart as to why we don't use technical indicators. And the cleaner the chart looks, the better you are in seeing where the market is headed. So let's take a look at this confusing chart real quick. You guys can see it's right here. Take a look at that. If this doesn't confuse you, then clearly you are a complicated person. Tell me, what do you see on this chart? Are you in any better position to see where price is going to go for Bitcoin on that particular product? Just take a look. This individual, Ali Rauf, has plotted all of this on the chart, and he still has no idea where price is going to go. This is why we're here, because there are thousands, even tens, maybe hundreds of thousands of price charts just like this, and you're only worried about one thing: where in the world is price going to go? I mean, this guy has the EMA MA cross. He also has the EMA 12-day. He got pivots, traditional, auto, and the Ichimoku technical indicators. Seriously. And we just want to know where price is going to go. And look at the title of this post: possibility of forming a deep crab pattern. Now you got to understand what in the world is a deep crab. It's ridiculous on what people try to do just to see where price is going to go. Take a look at what he wrote. This is one thing. This is a key word. All right. I want you all to remember that this is a key word for you to know if somebody understands where price is going to go, whether they know it or not. And it's down here. Look at what he wrote. Watch out the PRZ. If price continues to go correction, there's a great possibility for reversal. The key word in this whole sentence is if. So it's still up in the air. You still have no idea as to whether or not the market continues to go in correction or if it's not. So you have all of this on your chart. You got letters, numbers, shapes, bars, lines, squiggly, some sketty. And you still have to write the question. You still have to write the word if. You need to follow us. It's just that simple. All right. So that's just another confusing chart. I'm gonna start showing you all the most confusing charts that is being utilized just to see where price is going to go and tell you that it's not going to benefit you. All right. So this is Cronos though. You guys can see we did a price prediction to the market in Cronos all the way back in November 2020, anticipating the market to go higher in price, and it did. 7.5 profitability right there. That's on our last channel, our first original channel, HueFin News. You guys can check out that video. There it is in our Cronos playlist on that channel. So now take a look at this though. All right, we're going to talk about where the market price in Cronos is going to go. So what I'm going to do, let's extend this line. Okay. So now take a look at what the market did yesterday in Cronos. We came and hit that ascending line. Now, do you think the market has enough energy to break this trend? Because right now the market in Cronos is trading below that ascending line. We need to see it break back up above it in order for us to at least see the possibility of strength, right? The volume definitely came through yesterday as well too. Look at all that volume. So this just wasn't some ordinary individuals trading the market here in Cronos. No, it wasn't. Retail traders cannot create this much volume. Look at it compared to all the other days of volume since February 2021. Nothing has compared to the volume that came in yesterday. So we've seen some institution participate in the trading on yesterday in Cronos, and look at what they did. They was able to move the market in Cronos 15% to the upside. So obviously they're trying to take the price somewhere else. So we need to recognize that and see it for what it is. 3-day time frame. There's definitely a lot of strength still here into the market in Chronos, seeing this on the 3-day time frame. Got it. Let's take a look at this on the 2-day. Same thing on the 2-day time frame. So we are creating a different area of support and a different price level as to where we're expecting the market to go in Chronos. 5-day time frame. I still like it. Now I'm seeing this restriction area though, so I want to pinpoint and show you all where this market area of restriction currently lies. So around $9 and maybe $10, around that vicinity is where we can actually see the market in Chronos go. Okay, so we're going to hold that there. And this is the weekly time frame. So definitely there is still some instances to where the market in Chronos is going to go higher. Right now, we've seen the market in Chronos come all the way down here from $7.25 all the way on a close of $9. So that's a fantastic movement on the last week's trading. But we are close to some areas of restriction, which is why I really want to show you that there is $9.50 to $10 is where that restriction area currently is. All right. So let's take this ascending line. I'm not going to move the market in Chronos as being in an ascending trend. I'm not going to do that. For the most part, this market in Chronos is trading within a channel. Okay. Bring this down here. So the market in Chronos came and bounced off this area support around $4. Saw the market give a breakout. This is the biggest area of trading into the market in Chronos right here. And this is what we're expecting the market to do in the long term. Okay, so let's see this on a 3-week time frame then. I like it. I still expect this market in Chronos is going to go higher in price. You know, the longer time frames is still reflecting that there is strength involved into the market in Chronos. I'm looking for $10 all the way back up towards 12 in the long term. Okay, so we're going to pinpoint our TP areas into the market in Chronos. Okay, our support area now is going to be right here towards $8. Okay, market continues to trade above $8. We're going to continue to expect the market to go higher. Next, our TP areas. TP simply means take profit. Is going to be right there. First area is $10. So that will give us around 12% profitability into the market in Chronos there. Second area of TP would be around 11 all the way up here to 12. Okay. Now $12 as an ultimate TP price in Chronos is for the long term. Now I'm not telling you 5 years. No, we don't play predictions all the way out in 5-10 years. No one, you can't even give me a weather prediction 10 years out. So let's be more realistic in terms of what we're looking for price to go in the markets. Okay, so this is more or less like on a monthly time frame for us to see Chronos hit that $12 area over the next couple of months. But we're going to play this one on the daily. So let's take this back. So we got our TP areas, we got our support area in the market in Chronos. First area of TP again is right there around $10. Second 11, third 12, making dollar increments. And that's it. Questions, comments, as always, let us know. We're here. You want to learn how to call the markets, make sure you participate and follow us. It's just that simple. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.